What is Amazon PPC? Part 7. How to optimize a campaign. It's very important to adjust the parameters for an ad so that we can achieve the desired results and improve our campaign performance. There are multiple factors that vary from campaign to campaign depending on the products. We can try to achieve optimum results by optimizing the campaign and following below points. Effective keyword selection and bidding. Your top performing keywords must have an appropriate bid so that they can win as many auctions as possible. Another helpful method is to increase the bid gradually and to monitor whether it improves ACOS or not. While running an auto campaign, it's mandatory to keep reviewing automatic targeting campaigns on a regular basis and run the search term report to identify new, high-performing keywords that can be used on future campaigns. It's important to identify the root cause of low performance for the keywords which generate sales with high ACOS, whereas reducing the bids or pause the keywords which drive traffic but no sales for 2 weeks and see if this improves performance. Appropriate budget allocation. Ensure that you have allocated appropriate campaign budgets for top-performing campaigns so that they can serve all day, every day. Increase the budget on well-performing campaigns and decrease or pause the budget for low-performing campaigns. Update your product detail page. Ensure that the keywords and the product details are aligned, and also make sure that your detail page covers the most important benefits and information about your product. Efficient bidding strategy. It's good to increase bids on keywords to increase the chances of winning more auctions. This can result in your ad being shown more often, thus helping to increase impressions in a manual campaign ad search terms, which you know generate sales, as exact and broad match keywords. Put higher bids for exact matches and lower bids for broad matches. Review and adjust keywords. Review the top performing keywords and evaluate if the bid assigned is competitive enough. Think about the search terms that you, as a customer, would use to find your product and adjust your keywords accordingly. Use the search term report to identify terms buyers have used to find your products and make sure your keywords align. Review keywords and remove any duplicates on the campaign. Duplicate keywords could prevent the ad from showing on the website. Choose the right products to advertise. Do you have multiple SKUs for the same product? For example, Amazon and Merchant Fulfilled. If so, add both of them to your ad group. Only the product that is the featured offer will be served in the ad. But by adding both, you increase your chances of receiving impressions. Adjust the information on your detail page. Keywords that drive high traffic, but do not result in sales, may indicate that customers clicked your ad looking for something that your product did not offer. Ensure keywords and product details align, and make sure your detail page covers the most important benefits and information about your product. Validate that your targeting keywords are relevant for your products. Thank you for watching. Keep it up.